Hello from Slovenia again. I have quite a few paints left from pours from my last from this week, and they are pretty thick, and that's why I decided that I will do a straight pour. And you probably all know Mina Villegas, I hope that I pronounce this right, sorry Mina. She injured herself and she's do such a great job with those straight pours, so I will dedicate this to Mina. I hope that I can create something nice and that she will be proud of me. I don't know, because I don't do much of these straight pours lately, so we will see. I can even rack it maybe if it will not look nice, so I hope that it will be decent at least. Please check Mina's channel too, and she has a lot of videos, so even though I don't know if she will be able to publish videos because of her injury, but you still have a lot to watch. So she's doing really great job, and I love her personality and her laugh, and of course she has a nice helper. So hello to husband of awesomeness too. Okay, let's do this, and I will try to maybe spin this a little bit, since I have this on my spin table. Oh, what was that? Okay. I don't know. So let's put a little white water into my white. And I will just add a little bit around. Just to cover these corners a little more. I was thinking that I will, for those who watched my reverse flower dip done that I did with Mod Podge, pearl white, pearl medium, Mod Podge pearl medium mixture for my pearl white. I will do a Mod Podge mixture with the glue on my Sunday live. So if you are interested how this will work, you can join me Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we will be able to try. I'm just thinking if maybe I want to just still this not spin. I don't know. Let's give it a little quick torch because I see a lot of air bubbles in here. Okay. So weird. Why did I get so many air bubbles? I totally messed this middle up. And I think that my paints were too similar. All those turquoises and blues, maybe. So since I really think that I don't like this, I will rack it and give it another spin. So definitely want to rack this part a little bit, and I didn't do a good job here. Spin this once more. I definitely don't like that. So what I did realize is that definitely I should add thicker layers of paint to get the effect that I thought that I will. So I will just add some paint again and do thicker layers this time into the same cup. Maybe not, but I just think so. Okay, and I will just do straight pour this time. And I like this part, but I don't like that part. So let's rag this a little bit. And I like this kind of flower here, so I will tilt it from this part. Okay, back to the middle. Pour a little of this off. Okay, back to the middle, and a little bit of this, and then I will be done. kind of interesting in a way. I will just give it a little spin because I just think that maybe I don't like this corners here. But I do like this flower. Just see if I can grab some paint that it will better. Oh. Better. Now I'm happy. A little different today. I will show you the dry result of this pour that I tried to do a kind of straight pour dedicated to Mina, and I ended up with this flower, but it is kind of beautiful. I like it now, I have to say, even if it's weird and with all those iridescent paints, it's just beautiful, so I like it. I really do. So I just want to show you the dry result of this one. Bye!